Wedding dress restoration can be a bit challenging sometimes, but not in the way that you might think. This gown is beautiful and quite muddy. There's a bit of mold from being stored wet, but that's not where the challenge lies either. First things first, Bill needs to remove all of the metal and buttons before we can do anything. Then he begins the process of dry brushing the dirt off the dress. This helps significantly when cleaning wedding gowns because as soon as that dirt hits the water, it'll just turn back into mud. So Bill removes as much as he can before starting a bath. Now, it's time for a bath, and instead of using sodium perborate, we use a parasitic acid detergent that works wonders on mud and dirt stains. Bill places towels over the dress to help keep it submerged, then it's left to soak overnight. As you can tell, the detergent helped the dress release all of that dirt, and before Bill can put it in to be wet cleaned, he rinses the gown thoroughly by hand. Now, it's time for a sodium perborate bath, and because this dress has some oxidation that couldn't be seen through all of that dirt, it's left again to soak overnight. Now that this dress is fully restored and bright white again, it's time for another wet clean. Then it's hung to dry overnight again. Next, it's time to start the pressing process, and this is where it gets a bit challenging. As usual, Bill begins the process just like any other dress. As Bill begins pressing the outer layer, everything seems to be moving just fine, but as you'll be able to see in a moment, it isn't. Bill spent over 2 hours pressing this gown, but there's a little thing called hard wrinkles that no matter how much you press it, they can't be fixed. So the next day, Bill decides to dry clean the gown in hopes of helping the fabric to relax and give him the ability to get a better finish on this dress. The thing with hard wrinkles is that they're formed over time, and things like storage conditions and the type of fabric the dress is made from can make all of the difference. This gown, for instance, was stored in a plastic bag for years after the wedding. And because of this, the fabric created a memory of the folds it held, and that memory is incredibly difficult to erase and sometimes impossible. But nevertheless, Bill did everything he could to make this gown look as beautiful as it once did. After sewing back on the buttons, it's time for the reveal. The before and afters are truly remarkable. Even though this gown was a challenge, Bill rose to the occasion and brought back to life this beautiful dress. And now, it's finally time to send it back home. In the end, it's not about removing the wrinkles or stains. It's about restoring a moment in time. And even the toughest challenges remind us why preserving these memories is always worth it.